Is it safe to run wheel spacers on cars?
When choosing wheel spacers for Jeep, good quality ones are quite important. Good quality spacers must be made of good material. To take the ultimate off-road capability of Jeep Wrangler to the next level, changing to all-terrain tires is a good idea. However, if we add bigger 80 tires, they may hit suspension parts. In this way, installing wheel spacer is a good way to solve this problem. By spacing the wheels outward, these 1.5-inch Wrangler wheel spacers solve most tire rubbing issues as well as provide a rugged, powerful, and muscular stance. They get the tires set further apart on the ground, and all four tires gain better traction on loose surfaces like mud or sand. For those people who like to keep the OEM rings, Jeep wheel spacers are the most cost-effective way to go. Aside from the base function of the tire spacers, BONOSS Forge Active Cooling Jeep wheel spacers come with active cooling grooves. When the wheels rotate, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow efficiently and continuously inside the wheel spacers to take away the heat. Therefore, it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. In this way, these BONOSS Forge Active Cooling Jeep Wrangler wheel spacers can improve heat dissipation efficiency and reduce safety risk during driving.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.